Welcome back everyone. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. Today is about small space gardening and how much you can grow in small spaces. Now, as you can see here, we have two cucumber growing in this area here. But as you can see, we create a trail for one up in the air, and we create a trail for a next one up in the air. And what we did, we moved this over to this next one. So now we have this trail going up here, which is, and it's already producing, and as you can see. So instead of have it spreading all over the place, taking up all the space, we create trail to run them up instead. Right here we have a zucchini right close to it here, and this zucchini is getting ready to produce flowers. But as we can see, we're seeing a lot of male. We ain't seen no female as yet, but hopefully we're gonna see something going on. These are avocado we're growing from seed in actually clay soil. Avocado growing in clay soil. Don't underestimate clay soil, guys. All right.